Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, in your subject grammar, we were doing chapter 13, pronouns. So I hope you have understood that how we use pronouns and when do we use in the place of nouns. So children, take out your textbook and let us get ready. So children, on your page number 41, you have personal pronouns. What do you have? Can you see this table in your textbook on page number 41? Personal pronouns. Let us read what are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the pronouns used in place of people, animals and things. Okay, from the word personal itself, can you find out personal में person word छुपा हुआ है? So from that you can remember that when do we use personal pronouns? In the place of person, that means people, animals and things. And pronouns have different forms. Now you need to understand this table, because pronouns have different forms. Let us see. First person, second person, third person. Now do you know what is first person, second person and third person? Let us see. First person means the speaker. If I am telling something to you and I am speaker, that means if I am using the words like I, me, we, us, then I am telling you the story in the first person. For example, I went to the market with my friend. We were enjoying. Then we met our teacher. So like this, the teacher wished us or the teacher greeted us. So whenever we speak, that time we include ourselves. At that time when we include our own self with the help of the words I, me, we, us. So that is first person. Now what is second person? The person we are speaking to. For example, you are speaking to me. So I am the second person. Or if I am speaking to you, so you are the second person. Okay. For example, I am using the word you. You are smart. You should do your work on time. So I am telling to the second person who is opposite to me. So whenever we speak to the other person, so that is second person. Now third person. The person about whom we are speaking. For example, if we are speaking about someone, if we two person, for example, I and my friend, we both are speaking about some other third person, that you know he always teases me or he is always talking, we should not disturb him. So हम जब किसी third person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, so which words we use? He, him, she is smart, her, they, them, it. Whenever we use such words, we talk about some third party. They are going for picnic and like this. So that means that comes to a third person. So now let us revise this table. What is the first person? The speaker. When you yourself are included, that is first person. What is second person? Our opposite person, to the person we are talking to. Now what is third person? When we are talking about some third party, we are talking about third person. So that is third person. Okay. So I hope you have understood the table. Now moving towards exercise D. When you reached home, you said, Mother, luck was by my side today. Now think about your lucky day and write about it in first person. So, did you understood the question? What you have to do? You have to think about one of your lucky days and you have to write about it in the first person. First person means you have to use the words like, which words you will use? I, me, we, us. Okay, you are not talking about some third person, you are talking about yourself. I was going, we enjoyed, you yourself should be included. Okay. So try this by yourself, children, and tell me in the live class. Exercise E. Underline the pronouns and write against each sentence the form of pronoun or person used. State whether it is in the first person, second person or third person. See children, right now we studied our table of first person, second person and third person. So keeping this table in mind and these words, you have to solve the exercise. Let us see. Lions are royal animals. They are called the king of the jungle. For 1 minute, forget about first, second, third person. First you have to find the pronoun because you have to underline it. So here instead of lions, lion is a noun. Instead of lion, what is used? They. So they is first person, second person or third person. First person means in which we ourselves are included. But this is not first person. Second person means you, the opposite one. So this is the third person where we are talking about lion. Okay. So they is the third person. I like the cakes made by mother. I like the cakes made by mother. In this find the pronoun? Yes. Instead of writing your name, I have been used. So I is the first person, we ourselves. So this will be first person. Okay. Then see. Read the next one. You are such a soft spoken person. You are such a soft spoken person. So in this, which is the pronoun used? You. You are such a soft spoken person. So you, the opposite one, is our second person, right? Their house is spacious. It is so beautiful and well kept. Now find out the pronoun. Their house. There. There is a pronoun and instead of house, what has been used? Are we saying that their house is spacious? Their house is so beautiful? No. Instead of house, it is being used. So there and it, both are pronouns. And there and it. See, remember your table. There and it. Both come in the third person. Okay. So, because there means we are talking about someone. So, there and it both will be third person. Okay. Then, fifth, we are going to the Golden Temple. We are going to the Golden Temple. Now, which is the pronoun here? We. And we means उसमें हम खुद भी included हैं. So, we will be our first person. Okay, children. So, I hope you have understood this exercise. So, for your revision, you will try 6 to 10 as your homework. Okay, 6 to 10, I told you the answers of first 5. Now remaining 5 you will do as your homework and discuss in live class with me. So children, we'll meet in the next video lesson with our further chapter. Till then, take care, keep smiling, God bless you.